Long workdays make weight loss feel impossible, but what if your meals took less than 10 minutes with zero meal prep? You get home exhausted, reach for takeaway, and the cycle repeats. It's not about willpower, it's about time and energy. Forget complicated meal plans and endless prep. I'll show you how to reclaim your lunch break with real, delicious food that helps you lose weight. 3 go-to recipes, high protein and satisfying, to keep you full and focused. Put down the delivery app. Let's change the way you eat at work, starting now. Let's get cooking. Well, sort of, you'll see what I mean. First up, let's talk about the smoky lemon chicken yogurt bowl, a meal that's as effortless as it is satisfying. This is your go-to when you want something nourishing, protein-packed and full of flavor, but you don't want to spend a single minute cooking. Whether you're at home, at work, or just too busy to even think about turning on the stove, this bowl has your back. It's the ultimate zero-cook lunch that's ready in minutes, and it's about to become your new favorite. Start with pre-cooked, high-quality chicken breast. Rotisserie chicken from the store works perfectly, or you can use any leftover grilled chicken you have on hand. Shred it up with your hands or 2 forks. This not only gives you a better texture, but it also helps the chicken soak up all the flavors from the dressing. Plus, shredding makes every bite more tender and satisfying. Next, grab some full-fat Greek yogurt. This is your creamy, tangy base that brings everything together. Full-fat yogurt is not only more filling, but it also gives you that rich, luxurious mouthfeel that makes this bowl feel like a treat. It's packed with protein and healthy fats, so you'll stay full and energized for hours. Squeeze in the juice of half a fresh lemon for brightness and zing. Then, sprinkle in smoked paprika for that deep, smoky flavor that makes this bowl stand out. Don't forget a pinch of salt, a crack of black pepper, and a dash of garlic powder to round out the flavors. These simple seasonings transform your yogurt into a bold, crave-worthy dressing. Whisk everything together until smooth and creamy. Give it a taste. This is your chance to adjust the seasoning. Maybe you want a little more lemon for extra tang, or a bit more paprika for smokiness. Make it your own, because this bowl is all about you and your preferences. Now fold in your shredded chicken. Be gentle. You want every piece to be coated in that luscious yogurt dressing, but you don't want to mash it. The goal is to keep the chicken tender and juicy, with every bite bursting with flavor. For crunch and freshness, chop up some cucumber and celery. Dice them small, so you get a little bit of crisp texture in every mouthful. These veggies add hydration, fiber, and a refreshing bite that balances the richness of the yogurt and chicken. Toss in a handful of chickpeas for an extra boost of plant-based protein and fiber. Chickpeas make this bowl even more filling and satisfying, and they add a subtle nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with the smoky, tangy dressing. Finish with a generous sprinkle of fresh dill or parsley. Don't skip the herbs. They're not just for looks, they add a burst of freshness and a pop of color that makes the whole dish come alive. Plus, fresh herbs are packed with antioxidants and micronutrients. In just 5 minutes, you've built a vibrant, high-protein meal that's as beautiful as it is delicious. This bowl is loaded with everything your body needs to power through the day: lean protein, healthy fats, fiber, and tons of flavor. Forget about those sad, soggy sandwiches or last-minute vending machine snacks. With this bowl, you're fueling your body with real, clean food that actually energizes you. No more afternoon crashes or empty calories. Just pure, satisfying nutrition. The best part? You can assemble this entire meal at your desk, in the break room, or even in your car if you have to. All you need is a bowl, a fork, and a few minutes. No microwave, no stove, no excuses. Healthy eating has never been this easy or this convenient. The combination of protein from the chicken and yogurt, healthy fats, and fiber from the veggies and chickpeas keeps you full, satisfied, and in fat-burning mode for hours. This isn't just a meal, it's fuel for your busiest days. So, the next time you think you don't have time for a healthy lunch, remember this bowl. It's proof that you can eat well, even on your busiest days. Just a few minutes of prep, and you're set up for success all day long. And don't forget, eating well starts with your eyes. This bowl is a feast for the senses, with vibrant colors, fresh herbs, and bold flavors that make every bite exciting. The Smoky Lemon Chicken Yogurt Bowl, high protein, zero cook, and ready to be your new lunch hero. It's the kind of meal that works as hard as you do, keeping you fueled, focused, and feeling your best. Cleanup is a breeze too. Just a bowl and a fork to wash, and you're done. Next up, We're turning up the heat with a new recipe you won't want to miss. Let's get started. Craving something hot and savory. Maybe you just got home after a long day, your stomach is rumbling, and you want something satisfying, fast. But before you reach for the takeout menu or settle for a bland snack, let's talk about a meal that's quicker than delivery and 100 times more rewarding. The 10-minute garlic shrimp and spinach skillet is your answer. It's the kind of dish that feels like a treat, but is so simple you'll wonder why you ever made excuses for not cooking. Start with raw peeled shrimp, fresh or frozen works. Just make sure to thaw them if needed. Pat them dry with a paper towel. This step is key. Dry shrimp means you'll get that irresistible golden sear instead of a soggy steam. Heat up your favorite skillet over medium-high heat and swirl in a little olive oil. You want the oil to shimmer, not smoke. This is your signal that the pan is ready for action. While the skillet heats, season your shrimp generously with salt, pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. Don't be shy. Seasoning is what brings the flavors to life. Lay the shrimp in a single layer in the hot skillet. Give them space. Crowding the pan will steam them instead of searing. You want each shrimp to get that beautiful caramelized edge. Let them sizzle for just 1 to 2 minutes per side. Watch as they turn from translucent to pink and curl into perfect little crescents. This is when the magic happens. Don't overcook, or they'll turn rubbery. Now toss in a generous spoonful of minced garlic. Stir it around for about 30 seconds, just until it's fragrant. The aroma will fill your kitchen, making it feel like a cozy bistro. Be careful not to let the garlic burn. It should smell nutty, not bitter. Next, add a mountain of fresh spinach. It might look like too much, but spinach wilts down dramatically, so don't hold back. As the spinach hits the heat, it softens and releases its juices, mingling with the garlicky oil to create a light, flavorful sauce that coats every bite. Right before serving, squeeze fresh lemon juice over the skillet. This brightens up the whole dish, balancing the richness of the shrimp and the earthiness of the spinach. Give everything a quick toss, turn off the heat, and you're ready to serve. The colors are vibrant, the aroma is mouth-watering, and you did it all in one pan. Each bite delivers juicy, perfectly cooked shrimp, tender greens, and a punch of garlicky, lemony flavor. It's a meal that feels indulgent, but is actually packed with nutrients. This meal is light and energizing, keeping you full without weighing you down. No more post-lunch slump or heavy, greasy feeling, just clean, sustained energy. Plate it up, admire your handiwork, and take pride in the fact that you made something delicious and nourishing in less time than it takes to scroll through a food delivery app. You're not just eating fast, you're cooking smarter and better. You're proving to yourself that healthy, homemade food can fit into even the busiest schedule. Compare this vibrant skillet to a greasy takeout box. The difference is clear, not just in taste, but in how you feel afterward. This skillet fuels your body and mind, helping you power through the rest of your day with focus and energy. So next time you're tempted by convenience food, remember, 10 minutes, one pan, and absolutely no excuses. You can have a hot, homemade meal faster than you think. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With a few simple ingredients and a little know-how, you can whip up something truly special. The garlic shrimp and spinach skillet is about to become your new go-to for busy days, lazy nights, or anytime you want to treat yourself without the hassle. Ready for comfort food, reimagined? Let's move on. No more excuses, just great food, fast. When you think of comfort food, you might picture something rich, heavy, and maybe a little indulgent. But what if I told you that comfort food doesn't have to wreck your goals or leave you feeling sluggish? With a few smart tweaks, you can enjoy the flavors and satisfaction you crave, without the guilt or the extra calories. Meet the Slim Avocado Egg Smash Toast, a modern twist on a classic favorite designed to keep you full, energized, and on track with your weight loss journey. The foundation of this meal is portion control. Start with just one slice of hearty whole grain or sourdough bread. Toast it until it's golden and crisp, so every bite has that satisfying crunch. Choosing whole grain or sourdough means you're getting more fiber and nutrients, which help keep you fuller for longer. For protein, use a hard-boiled egg. Boiling a batch at the start of the week makes meal prep a breeze, and it's the only real prep you need for this recipe. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with protein and essential vitamins. Take one egg and smash it in a bowl. This step is quick, easy, and gives you a satisfying texture that's more interesting than a simple slice. Next, add a quarter of a ripe avocado. Avocado brings creamy, healthy fat to the mix, making the toast feel indulgent while actually supporting your health and weight loss goals. Healthy fats help you feel satisfied and keep cravings at bay. Season your mixture with a pinch of salt, a crack of black pepper, and a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning. This blend adds crunch, flavor, and a little excitement to every bite. Transforming simple ingredients into something special. Mash everything together, but don't overdo it. Keep the mixture chunky so you get distinct pieces of egg and avocado in every mouthful. Taste and adjust the seasoning to your liking. Remember, you're the chef here, so make it your own. For a subtle flavor boost, take a cut garlic clove and gently rub it over your hot toast. This simple step infuses the bread with a hint of garlic, elevating the whole dish without adding extra calories or fat. Now, pile the chunky avocado egg smash onto your toast, spreading it all the way to the edges. Don't be shy. Make sure every bite is loaded with flavor and texture. Finish with a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a gentle kick, or fresh chives for a burst of color and freshness. These toppings not only make your toast look beautiful, but they also add layers of flavor that keep things interesting. In just 5 minutes, you've created a protein-packed, satisfying meal that feels indulgent but fits perfectly into your healthy lifestyle. It's quick enough for busy mornings, yet special enough to savor. Remember, healthy eating isn't about deprivation. It's about making smart substitutions and paying attention to portions. By swapping out heavy spreads or extra bread for nutrient-dense ingredients, you're fueling your body and still enjoying every bite. This toast is incredibly versatile, perfect for breakfast, a quick lunch, or even a light dinner. Pair it with a side salad or some fresh fruit, and you've got a balanced meal any time of day. Healthy food should excite you, not bore you. When your meals are colorful, flavorful, and satisfying, sticking to your goals becomes second nature. The Slim Avocado Egg Smash Toast is proof that you don't have to choose between comfort and results. You can have both, and you can enjoy every bite along the way. So next time you're craving something hearty and comforting, reach for this recipe. It's simple, delicious, and designed to support your goals. Enjoy your food, feel comforted, and lose weight. All at once. Eating well should feel good, both physically and emotionally. Remember, this isn't a compromise. It's a strategy for lifelong health and happiness. With every bite, you're proving that healthy choices can be delicious, satisfying, and truly comforting. 3 meals, 10 minutes or less. Smoky lemon chicken yogurt bowl, garlic shrimp skillet, and slim avocado egg smash toast. No more excuses. Your health is the main event, not a side project. These meals show you value your time, respect your body, and commit to your goals. Make smart, delicious choices that fit your busy life. This is sustainable change. Like and subscribe to Slimsync for more fast, healthy workday meals. Get in the kitchen, take control, and well done.